Hey everyone, so today we are taking a look at the Fanttik Robust Clean V8 Mate Ultralight Ultra Small Portable Vacuum for a automotive vehicle. So what got me started on Fanttik here was the review I saw Matt Farah do on the smoking tire. It looked really good. The price was right. Amazon was having a sale on this for just about, I think it was $59.99, so 60-some dollars after tax. I figured, you know what, I'm going to give it a shot. As you can tell by the box size, it's about a couple of my hands put together in size, so it doesn't look very big. So I'm curious to get this unboxed and see how it performs here. But we're going to unbox this, taking a look. It's actually packaged pretty well. I do like that. Of course, you have the stats and everything there. One thing I did like about this, it is lightweight. Like I said, you can actually plug this into your car. You have 12 minutes of suction power on high mode, and then you have 30 minutes on eco mode, so that is pretty sweet there. And like I said, you can just plug this in to your vehicle. So you've got some assembly instructions, you've got your charging instructions. Takes about 2 hours to charge. That gives you 12 minutes on high and 30 minutes on low. Not bad. So you could theoretically take this on your road trip, use it, clean your car out, charge it while you get back in the car, and you're all set to go. So it really doesn't take that long. Or you could just bring it inside with you and charge it on a normal Apple charger or any other charger, whatever charger you use. So just some more instructions here. So let's just get into it here. So we've got some attachments which are really nice. This is what drew me to it here, the ability to actually have something to plug into the actual suction device, and the nozzle here that you can use to extend and get into any little crack or crevice that you might need. Some more tools here, a cleaning brush, some more tools. We'll actually take the unit out. Everything is packaged pretty well. So here we go. Here is the bulk of it. So it almost looks like a water bottle, actually, how it's put together, how it's made. It's pretty cool. There's the fan there, the charger, power button, different modes right there. And then, of course, your little area where all the dirt and debris gets stored. That is a washable filter as well. And just some more tools. So we're going to get these tools unbagged, and then we'll kind of show you what this does. Everything can fit into this bag, which is sweet. Most cars, trucks, or SUVs have a little area to throw this bag in. So first, you're going to notice it does come with a charger. You get your actual suction unit, which isn't too large. Of course, it fits in the bag. You have a really nice, like a brush vacuum here. Kind of takes all the dog or cat hair or whatever you have in your vehicle out. A little extender in case you need that. A brush to clean the tools. Another little brush for hair or debris. And then, of course, the extender option as well, or that little crevice option. So that all fits in the bag just like that. Pretty dang easy, and that's what was in the box. So nicely packaged. That was nice. We're gonna actually see if this comes with a little bit of charge, maybe. It does. Okay, so we're gonna try it. There is some debris in the truck right now. It isn't much, but just enough. We're gonna see how it does with that right out of the box. We've got the brush attachment on here, and then now we're just going to power it on. Oh, wow. So that's high mode there. And let me tell you, that has more than enough suction to take any dirt or debris off of a floor mat. low mode really does an excellent job here. And just like that, my side of the car is clean. A nice portable option here. And I actually got this for my girlfriend because I know she doesn't always take good care of her car. So this actually gives her a great option now to take care of her car. And you can see the debris is in there. Now we'll try it on this side where she usually sits. Picks up a rock, picks up a rock. So I do have to say, this gives you a great option if you have dogs in your vehicle like we do, or if you carry a lot of sand on your shoes like some of my family members do. And it picks everything up. Boom, it's done. So, initial thoughts of this Fanttik V8 Mate are exceptional. I'm really glad I got it. Is it worth the money? Yes, it is a little steep for a portable vacuum, but after seeing that, what it just did, I'm pretty happy with it. So I will put a link in the description on this if you are interested in purchasing. Amazon is having a very good deal on these right now.